Hi, how are you? My name is Nomad. I'm from Russia. You're my first public in US. I need your support. Can you sing with me like this? Ways, ways. Hey, put your hands up. Voyage batala, tagın yanı kanada, tagın yola sığamın, tagın kırmış kabata, formalı yoldan hınavları uyup apırata, tagın da voyage bata, tagın yoklar hayatta. Ways, ways, they burn me with my flames. Just down the gate. Ways, ways, they burn me with my flames. Sing. Just down the game. Hayalımı atladım, ucuyumdan paramı, hayrağına yürümek, yabay elim balahı. Ötken yol oldum bu hala, tağın alga parahı, karamay bir nimege, udimdekin Allah'ı. Ways, ways, they burn me with my flame. Ways, ways, just don't stand the sing. They burn me with my flame. Just don't stand the game. Hey, yeter buran karaşa, yetenin kuder kamaşa, yarışa yarışa, yalan dağlar almaşa, tamırda kardeş aşağı, işitim yürek tavuşum, hıyallarına itken yolda elektrik başı. Ways, ways, they burn me with my flame. Sing! Just don't end the game. Ways, ways, they burn me with my flame. Ways, ways, just don't end the game. Thank you. Stop, please, stop, please. Huh?
Yeah. Did you say please stop because you were gay?
Alright, yeah, give it up for my, what's your name again, bro? Yo. Yo, man, can I ask you something? Come back up here for a minute. Hold on. What's your style you doing, bro?
I'm from Bashkortostan. This is middle country of Russia. My language, Bashkirian language. My style, Bashkirian style.
Okay. All right, give it up. That's dope. So, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers thought you were speaking Spanish and shit. So they didn't know. But give it up for them. That's dope. It's a motherfucking worldwide peace. That's what we gonna talk about. And make it more sense. Put it in context. Give it up, y'all.